Guys, thanks. Here with Jordan Jefferson. Jordan, 4-0 is the bottom line. I know 4-0 is the bottom line, but you don't have a smile on your face right now, and I know you're an emotional guy. Tell me about what's going through your mind right now.
We just got to play a little bit better. We 4-0 like you said, and we're just going to continue on winning games. But on our side of the ball, we need to step up a little bit.
Offensively, what do you think is the deal right now? The situation, not being able to move the ball. There seems like a continuous problem. Obviously, penalties, some drop passes today. Jordan, in your mind, assess the offense for us.
We just got to stay focused. Things like that, really doesn't consistently happen for us, and we just got to stay focused throughout the game. Those penalties and a few drop passes really hurt us a lot, and we're just going to look at it on film.
Jordan, you sent out a message to the LSU Nation to be patient with you just a little bit ago, and obviously they kind of came down hard on you today. Your coach backed you up big time in here, and he said the people that boo at LSU, they're like the people that don't like their own coffee that their wife makes or something like that. How are you handling all the situation right now with the fans?
I have thick skin. I don't really pay attention to critics or any negativity. We 4-0, so that's just the bottom line.
Did you get a chance to peek at Tennessee this morning and the struggles they had with UAB? And what's your thoughts on playing the Volunteers in your third straight home game next week here at Death Valley?
We really can't sleep on them. They can always have a great game plan for us, and we just got to keep working. It's an SEC school. Anything can happen, so we got to come with our A game.
Jordan, best of luck to you.
All right, thank you.
It's Jordan Jefferson. We'll send it back to the Louisiana Machinery Studios with Victor and Paul. Guys, back to you.